Qalqala. When the letters of Qalqala has a sukoon on it, it will be read with an echoing or jerking sound. Qalqala letters are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. In the examples that follow, the Qalqala letter with a sukoon appear in the red block. Care should be taken when reciting not to jerk the letter to the extent where it will sound as if the letter has a fatha on it, right? So the first Qalqala letter is Qaf. خلقتني من نار وخلقته من. Verse 12, Surah 7. To خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثقيب. Verse 10, Surah 37. Ba قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس. 34, verse 34, Surah 2. Jim فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم ينظرون. Verse number 19, Surah number 37. Dal ja'ala ad'iyaakum abna'akum. Verse number 4, Surah number 33.